It is January the 12th, and a pretty big snowstorm right here. You can barely see the other side of the street. Actually, you cannot see it all. Can't even look. Oh, actually, the wind is fucking freezing me. Sorry about that F-bomb I just dropped. It's really like sometimes the wind drops and it's not that cold, but now it's super windy and super cold. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys, at least people who watches my video and don't live in cold places. Like if you watch my videos and are from Canada, northern US, or like Russia, you probably know that kind of weather. But yeah, I'm waiting for my bus right now. I'm actually kind of grateful I have to take the bus instead of my car, because I wouldn't want to drive. Even if I had a car, I probably still would have taken the bus today. So yeah. Oh, here's a vehicle that's going to move the snow from the street and right there. Hope you enjoyed this short video of, kind of almost like Wonders of Canada. I think I'm gonna call it Wonders of Canada. Because for people who like snow, it is fun. I actually do like snowstorms. It's been a while since it's been this bad in Quebec City. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time.